Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to, of course in the general list, we have to scroll down to find the section connected with the apps. So it is almost at the very top, on the third position actually. So let's tap on it and then tap on see all 31 apps. Of course 31 in my case. Now we can tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on reset up preferences. And as you can see here, your device will inform you what it will actually reset. So among others, disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps, and basically this is it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.